From the air, you can see how much damage Florence left behind. The storm swept a boat past houses, landing in a backyard. And on the ground, it's even worse. Tara Hayes' belongings are on the curb. She's lost everything.
Well, a little devastating, just trying to get a grip on everything and try to get the house cleaned out.
Fortunately, Hayes has a friend helping her.
That's what we're here to do. We can't help a person in the time of need, and what our friends for.
This one I should have drying out.
Next door at the antique mall, Tina Staffieri has been helping the owners.
But I came down and I went up to the owner and I was just like, how many inches? He said 26. And I said, what time do you need me here tomorrow?
And a few blocks away, Sudan Shriners potentate Teeny Jones showed us how bad the storm surge was in the building. He's 6'3".
I'll stand right here and give you an idea of what it is. So.
Wow. This is a receiving room in the Sudan Shriners office building. Teeny Jones says it'll be 6 months to a year before they can move back into this building.
This gives you an idea of the magnitude and the force of the water. The elevator was there, the elevator's gone.
The damage is hard for everyone to deal with, but people are trying to keep the faith that everything will get better.
Well, we take it one day at a time and trusting and believing.
In New Bern, North Carolina, Ann Jeanette Levy, Local 12 News.